Good day, my name is Honorable Olalekan Owolabi, the National President of Yoruba Youth Coalition, and the CEO of Yoruba Connect, a magazine. This is the voice of Yoruba youth. And we are using this medium to let you to know that Yoruba agenda must be paramount to all Yoruba singers and daughters, both home and diaspora. Because we need to come together to see ourselves as one and protect the integrated pattern that will extinguish disparity and disunity among the Yoruba leaders. And we want everybody and every one of you and all of us, of course, to see ourselves as one and protect the integrated pattern that will bring one voice and one landlord and one vulnerable voice into the Yoruba nation. And I want to use this medium to speak to all the Yoruba leaders, especially the traditional leaders, to see themselves as one. Because the negative debate and the members of our generation comes because of them. And we need to be one, to see ourselves as one. One voice, one vulnerable, one love, one harmony, we should try to extinguish disparity. Because the disunity among the Yoruba leaders has a negative effect on the members of our younger generation. And I'm using this medium to call and give my own candid advice for the Yoruba youth as the National President of the Yoruba Youth Coalition. We have over like 70 youth groups that were named as one form of coalition in Yoruba. We shall wish to be the first president of this coalition. I was the former national president of the Yoruba Youth Movement and the CEO of the Yoruba magazine that promotes the culturality and value of Yoruba youth. Because we also felt that the society will need a magazine that will be showcasing all the activities of all Yorubas. Because oníbàjẹ́ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá máa tẹ̀síwájú. And also using this media to greet and salute our His Imperial Majesty Oluwabomi Shikula Baba wa Ọọ̀ni of Ife. And I'm using this media to greet our father Sheikh Imam Ado Amuyiwa, a Muslim African leader and Imam of Yoruba youth. And I'm using this media to greet our father Ikú Bàbá Yèyé, the Aláàfin of Ọ̀yọ́ Ọba Lámìdí, and greeting his new born twins. And I'm using this medium to greet all the Ọbalàbí, Ìyálẹ̀, Aláàfin of Ẹ̀gbá, Èjì of Àkúrẹ́, Ọlọ́wà of Ìbàrẹ̀pé, and others. Lord, I am a speaker. Me, Ṣèyí Lámàṣọ Àmọ́dún, Àlàní Ọmọní Owólabí Kristi, former national president of the former national president of the Youth Movement and the former deputy governorship candidate in the state 2016 National Congress Party, the freedom, the leader of the free world politics. The foundation for the freedom of expression is liberty, tolerance, and equality. One love, without